It's Dreadysays. This is episode 4 of my van life series, which is going to get complicated. Not this episode, but my general life. God, focus, come on. Because I'm off to Australia next week. It's actually happening, hopefully for 3 months. A lot to think about there, a lot to unpack. But I've got a couple of days to actually finish the review of this. These power stations are incredible. It charges my little kettle, or makes my little kettle work, and of that, my Starlink Mini. It kind of works in the dashboard. It kind of works for video calls on the dash. I am under a street light, that isn't helping. Oh, I've got so much to do. Kucam 3 Ultra review. It's 360 camera. It's incredible. My deadline for that is now the end of November. So I don't know if I do it in Oz or not. And oh god, so much going on. What also is sort of playing on my mind a little bit is power usage in the van. Smart meter there. Tree, not enough solar. Winter in the UK. I've not really been away or cared enough for prolonged power use in a van, so it's going to be more solar, I think, and I'm trying to get away from gas, so I've got a small air fryer, and yeah, just so much going on. The van's a bit of a mess. I need to tidy up, just put everything away, but everything I now own is in the van. I've done it. So today is family time. I'm over at my parents', and then tomorrow back to the house, last of the stuff, pack for the holiday, which I'm going to be doing a lot of videoing, drone work out there, so you know, I want to create content whilst I'm in Australia, because it's going to be new and fresh and really hot, never too hot. Quote me on that. I'm going to get bitten and attacked by everything there. I hope to make it out of the airport. So, it's episode 4. They've been a little slow coming. I do apologise for that. I've literally had to turn around my entire life in just under 3 weeks. And it's worked out. All right. You lot take care. And we'll catch you for the next one.